Hey, so today I want to talk about gratitude, and not mainly because of the holiday that's coming up, but just gratitude in general because it's something that I'm actually learning a lot deeper about right now in my life. And so we all know what gratitude is. It's to say thank you, right? Well, I'm learning now in the book that I'm reading, The Circle of Fire, that gratitude is primarily just like enjoying. Like, how can you be grateful to the Creator, to God, to the universe? If the Creator and God isn't you and me and the flowers and the plants and the people around us, how can we be grateful to everyone and everything that has been created? It's just to enjoy them. Show that you enjoy what's been created and given to you. Today I mainly just wanted to do kind of like a prayer, and so you can see this as a meditation, not meditation like breathing meditation, but Marcus Aurelius type of meditation. Like, it's words of wisdom, words to guide you, but it is in the form of a prayer, talking to the Creator. And so how can you be grateful to the Creator for bringing us love, for bringing us peace and information and energy and life? Like, you have this life, you have this body that you're in. We don't know how we got here, but the only best way to be as happy and as in love as we can possibly be is to be grateful. And it says in the book, it's just to be grateful is to be enjoying, and to use your words as these spells that we're casting. I'm pretty much just going to read from the book this short little prayer of gratitude. I've been reading these prayers every morning ever since I got this book a few days ago, maybe a week ago, and I've been wanting to pray more because prayer is like setting a spell, setting how you want your life, speaking to yourself and the universe of what you want, sending out good messages, giving thanks to God, to the universe, to the Creator. So I see it as multiple things: ways to manifest, ways to program my subconscious mind for happiness, ways to pray and send out what I want to my angels, to my guides, to God and everyone, but also just for myself to uplift myself. So I see using words and prayer helpful in many ways. And so that's why I have been trying to develop a better habit and more intentional way of praying, and not just saying, give me this, give me that, just like being very intentional. And so this book is really helping me. Prayer for gratitude. Today, Creator of the universe, my heart is filled with gratitude for the gift of life you have given me. Thank you for the opportunity to experience this beautiful body and this wonderful mind. Today, Lord, I want to express my gratitude for everything I have received from you. I know the way to say thank you for life is by fully enjoying every moment of my life. And the only way to enjoy every moment is in love, into love. Today, I will express all of the love and happiness that exists in my heart. I will love your creations, I will love myself, and I will love the people who live with me. I know that life is short to waste in misery and drama with the people that I love. I will enjoy the presence of the people I love, respecting their choices in life as I respect my own. Today, I will graciously receive your gifts by enjoying the gifts, by enjoying the beauty of all your creation. Help me to be as generous as you are, to share what I have with generosity, just as you share your gifts so generously with me. Help me to become a master of gratitude, generosity, and love so that I can enjoy all of your creations. Today, Lord, Creator, help me to manifest my creation as you manifest the universe, to express the beauty of my spirit and the supreme art of the human, the art of dreaming my life. Today, Lord, I give you all my gratitude and love because you have given me life. I started off as a person who was like, I was born into Christianity. However, in my late teens, I began to dabble into like Buddhism, mainly Buddhism, more of a spiritual path. I think Christianity is spiritual. I think we're all spiritual. There's no way to not be spiritual. Everyone is just born as a spirit. Like, in my opinion, we're just this consciousness, which is a spiritual being inside of a body. So when people say that they're spiritual, I'm like, dude, everyone is. So I think it's funny. There's no competition to be had. But the cool thing about prayer is it doesn't have to be religious. Like I said, you could use prayer as a form of meditation. You could use prayer as a form of mantra. You could use prayer for your manifesting. You can use prayer for religious or philosophical reasons. You could use prayer as an affirmation. So the word prayer is just like, to me, high intention, high thank you. So it doesn't even have to be to someone, anyone. It could be to multiple people. It could be to yourself. You could pray to yourself. You could pray to the earth. You could pray to the grass. And I learned that recently. I learned that from a friend that I had. I learned that from the books that I read. And I think that it's great to be open to the words that you put out. Everything is like a prayer to me. And everything is Lalo, my friend, he just told me the other day I was upset, and he said, whoa, don't say that you're sad. I was like, why? He's like, you're casting spells. I was like, I didn't even notice I was saying I was sad. Whoa, dude, you caught me. So if I say I'm sad too many times, I don't even notice that I said that I'm sad. And then I'm telling my subconscious mind, which is the mind that's actually controlling our conscious mind, because the conscious mind is the one that we're aware of and using and doing. So it's almost like here's a puppet, and then your subconscious mind is the one pulling the strings. And so that's the more you say something, the more you're programming yourself. And I think that with affirmations and prayers and positivity, you can really train yourself slowly but steadily. You can change who you are, your personality, and your surroundings. And I really love affirmations in the morning, and I want to integrate that into my prayer. So I've been starting to wake up every morning, whoop, where's my book? Boom. Because usually I just go off top and just say, thank you for this, thank you for the air, thank you for the sun, thank you for my nose to breathe, thank you for my fingers, thank you for my car. I'm like, what's something that I can just be guided with? And this book has really helped me, just like hearing these words. It helps me remember the words that could be said. A lot of times especially me, I fall off and on the path that I'm taking, and it's just like it all comes down to remembering and relearning and redoing. And I'm grateful that I had this book, that I came across this book, and I'm grateful for the Toltec path and Toltec wisdom that's I've come across, and I want to share with the world, and I want to share with you all. And so all of my next videos will be in the form of vlog style, and they will be in the same topics that I have been speaking about, except I'm going to take you on my day. I have a camera now, so it'll be a lot more easier. I'll take you on my adventures and on my day, and these adventures and these learnings and these events and these paths that I take, they're all used for my healing. And once I heal myself, and that's a lifelong process, and expand myself and extend my consciousness and heal and everything, all the terms, that helps everyone else. And my goal is to help people and lead by example the best that I can. And we're always going to make mistakes, so we're always going to backtrack, and that's just a part of the roller coaster. There's no one way. Every vegan messes up, even if it's once a year. I'm not saying with me, but it could be with too much sugar or dairy or processed, who knows. The main point is to not be so hard on yourself, and that's what I'm learning, to just take it easy, man. Chill, dude. Like, you're just a kid. Everyone makes mistakes, even with ourselves especially. And if you want to go forward in anything, know that those are coming, and be okay with that. Learn from them, live it, forget it, maybe even forget it. Maybe you don't even need to learn from them. Just be like, oh, it happened again. Well, back to the path. Or maybe you're taking a new one, but thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy the prayer as much as me, because I am realizing that I just love words, and I want to be at a place where I can just speak and tell stories and help, and just be in a vibe that I'm just like, I don't even know where I'm at right now, but I'm just talking. And sometimes I get in that state, and it's not like always, but I'm just 21. You're just 57, There is no time frame for where you need to go. Time isn't even real. I don't even know where I'm at right now. But I will catch you in the next video. See you soon.